Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to see your like shorts on YouTube. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open up the YouTube mobile app. Then tap on the library button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap where it says like videos, and now you will be able to see all of the videos you've liked on YouTube. So to specifically see all the YouTube shorts you liked, simply tap the Shorts button. Now you will be able to see all of the shorts you've liked on YouTube. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.